There's a ceremony that is called the Sacral Chakra Cleansing Ceremony, and I've been doing it for myself and others for several years now, and I find it to be so powerful. But basically what it involves is reflecting on the people that you have been intimate with over the years and making a list of anyone that you've had a romantic connection with, an intimate connection with, and then you're answering 5 questions about each person. Why was I attracted to them? Why were they attracted to me? What feelings did I leave with? What feelings did they leave with? And what did I learn? And in that process of unraveling and reflecting and writing on it, you're going to notice patterns, insights. You're going to get a lot of clarity on, things that maybe you buried under the rug, or things that were affecting you, or even affecting your current relationship, or affecting your ability to manifest your next relationship. If we're intimate with someone, then, our energies get intermingled and we could take on things from them, or they could take on things from us. So it's good to, cut the cords and release them and fully process and integrate that experience so that we're not bringing those things forward into the next relationship. And last night I did this ceremony again, and I originally did it 7 years ago, and I've been doing it whenever I need to since then. But I just felt like there were, deeper layers that I wanted to clear and get insights on. And yeah, I got some really powerful realizations, and I just wanted to share them because I'm sure it could help someone else as well. So my main insights that I got: to know when it's love, when someone truly loves me and cares about me, versus not, or if it's just meant to be friendship, or if it's just meant to be, someone came in someone's life to do some healing or upgrading. Listen to my intuition, being aware of the red flags and honoring that, saying no when it's a no, taking my time to see them for who they are, and if they're blocking my purpose or making me feel like shit, then it's just a no-go to move forward. And I got a lot of other insights too, and it was just really powerful and really beautiful. And if you wanted to do the ceremony, you could check online, you could search up chakra cleansing ceremonies and see what resonates with you. I've refined my process of doing this over the last 7 years, and I'd be very happy to assist you and hold space for you. Obviously, what you write down and all your people's names that you write on the list, I'm, not gonna look at that and examine that, but it's more so you're going to be the one that's going to be reflecting and writing, and then we can do this online or in person. You bring the papers and we burn them together, and then we do a healing and integration, and you can share some of your main insights and takeaways, and just, supporting you in releasing those energies that may be, taking your life force or blocking your flow, or that haven't been fully healed or integrated. I definitely recommend doing it around a full moon. So we are in the full moon energy now. If you're ready to go and ready to release this, within the next couple of days, we can do that. Otherwise, I recommend maybe next month full moon. I would be definitely happy to assist you in, releasing whatever energies are no longer serving, and processing and healing past relationships that might still be affecting you on some level. This is my passion for sure. So if you need assistance, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to connecting with you.